I'm here to share with you 6 ways you can relocate to United States. If you want to move to US legally and you'll not be deported and stay in the US permanently, there are 6 ways to do that. Many people have been trying to go to US, but they're doing it in the wrong way. So I have done everything, paid the visa fee, which is non-refundable and non-transferable. After the whole process, they are not be approved. But if you follow any of these 6 ways I'm going to share with you, you will legally relocate to US. If you're seeing me for the first time, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. This subscription is free. I'm not paying for it. So that will be updated when I drop my next video. If you have any question, use the comment section and share the video to people you know can benefit from the video. And use the like button and so that this video will be made available to others. Now let us proceed.
First is the family-based immigration. Here, U.S. citizens and legal residents can bring in family members into U.S. That means they can bring in their foreign spouses, foreign fiancés, as well as unmarried children. As a foreign national, you'll be sponsored by an immediate relative who is at least 21 years of age and is either a U.S. citizen or U.S. lawful permanent resident, that is a green card holder. Either the person is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, either of them can sponsor family members from outside the U.S. to legally relocate to U.S. There are 2 types of family-based immigration. Number one is immediate relative. These immediate relatives, their visas are based on close family relationship with U.S. citizen. That means the person can sponsor a spouse, a child, or a parent. The number 2 is family preference. The visas for this family preference are for specific, more distant family relationship with a U.S. citizen. So in this case, the person will have a relationship with a lawful permanent, that means a person with green card. So what is the difference between the 2? The difference is that a U.S. citizen can file an immigrant visa for their spouse, son, daughter, parent, or brother or sister. The person will file the petition from US. The person will make a request through the appropriate authority in US.
Remember that in this process, in this particular arrangement, the action starts from the US. That you are lawful US resident or family member in US will start the process by filing petition on your behalf to the U.S. Immigration Department. If you want to know how to file this petition, tell me in the comment section of this video. I will make a tutorial about that. Or I reply to you, I give you details on how to file the petition from the person living in U.S. on your behalf. Now, the second type of visa you can get to move to U.S. permanently is through work visas. Yes, employers in U.S. can sponsor a foreign worker who has a specialized skills. If that employer can't find a person the kind of skill they want in US, they can sponsor you and make a petition on your behalf. There are several types of work visas. Some are for a particular period of time, others for a little longer period of time. If the person filed a petition on your behalf stating you are going to stay in US for 1 year, then you are going to return, your visa will expire after 1 year. But if the person says you're going to be after 6 years, after 8 years, it should be indicated in your visa. So you can go to US through work visas and have a legal residence in US. The next one is student visas. There are 2 types of student visas, an F visa and M visa. F visa allows a foreigner to pursue academic studies or language training in the United States. And M visa is for non-academic programs or vocational studies. People with student visas face certain limitations if they wish to stay in US permanently. If you visit US with a visitor visa, that is a B type or that's B1, B2 visa, and you now want to study, and your study will lead that you are going to get a degree or any certificate, then you are not going to be allowed to stay in US. So if you want to stay in US to study and you'll be awarded a degree, then you must visit US with F and M visa. That is the arrangement. And in that case, you are going to work in line with your visa and you will not be deported while studying in US. Then the next is visa lottery. The real name, the official name for visa lottery is diversity visa program. It's one of the more unique way you can enter US. If you would like to apply for this visa lottery, tell me in the comment section of this video. Because every year, the government of US gives out 50,000 visas randomly to people who live in countries with low immigration numbers to the US. There is a limited time period when you can register for this US visa lottery. You have to apply during the time they have allowed for it. This is very important so that you can be allowed to stay in US. Are you getting value from this video? Subscribe to the channel. Click on that subscribe button there and click on the like button. That is the way you promote this video. You will not be charged. You are not paying for all these things, but it will promote this video. That's what I gain from you. Now, the next way you can enter US legally is through investor visa. Foreign entrepreneurs who invest at least $500,000 in a business and create at least 5 full-time jobs are eligible for an immigrant investor visa. Every fiscal year, about 140,000 employment-based immigrant visas are made available to qualified applicants under the provisions of U.S. immigration law. Note that these employment-based immigration visas are divided into 5 preference categories. So they have 5 categories, but I will not be able to discuss the 5 categories of this type of visa in this video for the sake of simplicity. Finally, we have asylum seekers. People may also show up at the U.S. port of entry. If you can show up at U.S. port of entry and you seek asylum, and if when you're seeking asylum, you can prove that you are being persecuted. You have been persecuted, or you could be persecuted in your home country because of your race, your skin color. You are being persecuted because of your religion. You are being persecuted because of your nationality. You are being persecuted because of your participation in a certain social group, or because of their political opinions. You can prove that you are being persecuted in your country because of all this I have mentioned. If you seek this thing, you can be accepted in the US as an asylum seeker. Anyone who seeks the same protection from outside the US is considered a refugee. Anyone who is illegally in the US can also seek asylum protection. The US can give you a protection under asylum arrangement, and then based on this arrangement, US can allow you to stay because you have legal problems that qualify you to be termed an asylum seeker, and then you can now get a legal residence in the United States. All these things I have mentioned, is there anyone you would like to try? Tell me in the comment section of this video. I would like to see you again in the next video.